Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to update the Shazam app in this tutorial. Let's get started. Open Play Store on your device first. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Search for the Shazam app. Tap on the application. Here, if it shows update icon instead of open or beside the open icon, simply tap on it. It will begin updating itself. If the update icon is not visible like in mine, then it means you have the latest version downloaded. And that is how to update the Shazam app on phone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.